day 6, and we just had our breakfast, and now we'll be heading for Taktasang Monastery. We just had our tickets now for the Taktasang Monastery, and we'll be starting our trek from over here. It will take about 3 hours to reach at the top, and we'll explore the area of the monastery, and then we'll head back to our home. राहुल
सॉर्टेड है बोला ना
एकदम बेस्ट एंजॉयिंग दिस ट्रिक the halfway point. I think it's the halfway point. The cafeteria from where you can get a beautiful view of the Taktsang monastery, also known as the Tiger's Nest. I think it would take us another 1–1.5 hours to reach the top, where we will be getting a guide who will tell us more about the place. So let's catch you at the top.
We have reached at Taktsang, that is a Tiger Nest point. After thrilling and enjoyable awesome journey, it will take 15 minutes from now, and you can see my back side Taktsang Monastery. So you see that thing in the background, the temple, that's of Taktsang, commonly known as Tiger Nest. We just conquered the heights of Tiger Nest. After a grueling 3 hours of journey, now we are heading back.
Basically this is a bonfire, but not ordinary bonfire which you see. In this stones are put, specific stones which these people has brought from the river bed, and so it take 3 hours to make the stone hot, and after this, these stones are put in this bathtub. So this bathtub has a small partition, and in that small partition the stones are put, and in that partition there are 3 holes. From that, when the water gets hot, it is passed to the main area of the tub, and it also has the herbs and other medicines which are benefit for skin, and which is also quite relaxing.
Say something on the hot stone bath.
We enjoyed the Pakistan and very enjoyable. That was the first time in my life.
It was first time in my life. I never go to like this, and that is my first experience.
So after the tiring day for today, we are going to end our day.
So we are ending our day. It's almost 12. We need to get up early in the morning tomorrow by 7. We would be heading to Bagdogra, right? Yes, Bagdogra. Okay, good night then.
Peace out.
Guys, while we are traveling to Bagdogra, we got a surprise message from Indigo flight, and on Sunday our tickets means because of the closure of the runway, the tickets our flights are cancelled. Now after that, panic ensued that we were not able to know what we should do, because we have already been already late in the sense. So what happened was, after a lot of hustle and bustle, Rawasi Baba came to our rescue and got us a flight 4 hours earlier than scheduled, and because of which we are currently at airport. See the flight tickets, it's at 12:35, earlier it was at 4.
Finally, we are at the airport, where we have a layer of day over of 3 hours. So we're thinking of going outside and having some lunch. Let's see what we find. Now it's time for the last leg of the journey, which will be taking us back to Mumbai. It's a 2-hour flight ride from here. After which we'll be back to the hustle and bustle of city life
Back again. Hustle and bustle of the city.
Home, office, work.
Back again in the rat race. Start running.
तू क्यों बोल रहा है पीछे से?
वापस बंद करो.